Hello, Team 61 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, January 11th. Today I opened up the folder for this upcoming week. It is that blackish charcoal gray color. This week's lesson set is called The Caste System in Hinduism. So we are continuing with our Ancient India unit, taking a little bit deeper look at the religion of Ancient India. In Monday's whitish colored folder, students will go in on Monday, and there will be two pieces of information in there. The first one is the video for India's caste system, so students can click on that. We'll take them to a video that explains in an easy way for middle schoolers what the caste system is all about. So students will watch that video. It's about 10 minutes.
My high school was privileged to have one of the best world cultures teachers of all time.
And that video goes in and explains what students will be reading about on Monday and Tuesday. So once students are done with the video, students will go to the caste system reading questions. And so students will click on that. It will look like a quiz, but it's really a reading assignment. And here's how I have it set up for each student. And students can do this assignment twice. I will take the higher grade. So for each question, I put in a chunk of the reading. So you can see here in the quotations, there is a chunk of the reading that students will read. Then the question will be in bold, and then the students will answer. So if you look at all the questions, there's the reading in quotations, and some of the questions, like the first two, has the same chunk of reading. But as we go through the assignment, there's a paragraph or two for each question. So that's how students will attack that assignment. And students will work on that Monday, and I will check in with them Tuesday during our live Google Meet session. So we will talk about that, talk about the video, preview the rest of the week on Tuesday. If you have any questions as you're working throughout the day on Sunday, please let me know. I hope you have a fantastic Sunday, and I will talk to you on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.